Good morning everyone. So I know it's been a really long time since I last vlogged and I'm so sorry because life has just been a little busy with work, and usually after work I'm really tired. I don't really do anything anymore. I either go to the gym, go to the store, or just come home and sleep. So yeah, today is Sunday, December 10th. I'm actually doing a gender reveal again. This is for my 4th oldest brother. And yeah, they don't know what they're having. Only me and Kong know what the gender is. So I shredded the streamer already just before we left the house. So yeah, hopefully they'll be able to put it in there because I didn't buy it from their store, but hopefully they'll be nice enough and allow us to put the stuff in there. But if not, I'll just buy something in there if I need to. But I got my sister-in-law a gift. It's her birthday today as well, but she's finding out what she's having. So I just got her the Anastasia palette because I keep telling her that if she ever needs a palette, a good palette, that's like the best one to go and buy. You want to try it?
No.
It's so cute. It says, "Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year with warm wishes for all." How cute. And their coffee is so much better than Starbucks. Look how cute their holiday cups are. It has a deer right there. This is so good.
Hi. Hi. Let's get you out of this prison.
Our Christmas birthday by the baby. Baby shark, the baby's babies. Baby, out to the baby.
She wants you to pick up, honey.
Sandra, take away.
Yeah. They're so cool. Can I have them?
No.
What? But they fit me.
No. Yours is 31 size.
Sorry.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
She's just buffing you, right, Dilly? Should be okay. That's okay.
Happy birthday! I'm like, hopefully you don't have it.
I probably don't. What is it?
It is a girl.
Do you have it? Okay.
What is it?
Happy birthday.
It's a birthday fun. Yeah, it's a palette. What do you guys want to do?
I have a feeling it's a girl.
Anybody else? What do you guys think it is? Boy?
Yeah, what
Ready? I don't know.
Ready?
Ready? Oh my god, butterfly!
I told you it's a girl.
What do you guys think it is?
I have a feeling it's a girl.
Anybody else? What do you guys think it is?
Boy.
Boy?
Elia, what do you
Ready?
I don't know.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh my god, butterfly! Everybody tell me!
I told you it's a girl.
I knew it.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! A little Oh, you did better this time? That's right.
Sing, what is it? Baby sister? Yeah! Congrats, Nya. Congrats, Joe.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, if it was any smaller, I would have missed the balloon.
That was actually kind of small.
You have another sister.
Me and Crystal got in the car and we were just like, I was like, I think it's a boy. She was like, it's a girl. And then like, we looked at it and then like, we opened it upside down and I already saw it said girl, huh? And Crystal was like, I think it's a boy. I was like, I guarantee you it's a girl.
Hi, babe.
Ali, I better go wash your eyes.
What did you get me? Merry Christmas.
Why is my face so advanced?
Cheese. So cute.
Billy, can I get a
Say cheese, everybody say cheese. Look, right here, cheese. Cheese. Oh, whoever doesn't say cheese, no open present.
That's
Oh.
Elliot.
Oh, that's Elliot.
Everything looks so good. What?
Yeah, baby. Oh, I don't know. I think Chicha ran away, baby.
Honey, look how cute she looks. She's having so much fun with her gift.
No, this is the
Yeah, this one.
What is it?
You went to go buy the jacket?
Wow, jacket!
Oh, hell yeah, I'm not gonna knife. It's what I needed. Thanks.
You're welcome.
I don't want to.
Who cares? Just rip it. I don't know.
Where's the knife?
Huh?
No, I don't need that. I didn't take care. Oh, we guys are on the spot. You guys are so scared. I know.
Score it. Look, what is it?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
She got a P28.
What is it? Oh!
She got a P28.
Hey, I want the ACU. Is that the 6?
No, it's just a 5.
5? The 5's nice. The same one I have. They're nice.
You're welcome.
Crystal, get the other one with me.
You can take it, it's broken.
Go. Okay, I do it. I lead it.
Okay, ready? Daddy, help you. Okay, try to go. Yay!
Good job, Ali.
Good job, baby girl.
Luôn chỉ có thuốc non được cái thuốc I know.
Okay, let's eat.
Yay!
Come on,
Can
Ali.
you try again? Can
No,
you try
color,
again?
color.
I'm like shaking.
1, 2, 3.
Hold on, left hand on top. It's a boy?
Oh my gosh!
Good job, Missy. No. Congrats, dude.
You finally got your boy! Congrats, dude! Congrats, yeah! Thank you!
It's okay. Okay. Hold on, left hand on top.